Welcome to my channel. Amybaby Sports Bras for Women. Criss-Cross Back Padded Strappy Sports Bras Medium Support Yoga Bra. Gym Running with Removable. Cups N3275 Black S. Brand. Amybaby. Was $34.99. With deal, $19.98 and free returns. You save $15.01 43%. Color. Black, blue, white, gray. Size. Small, medium, large, extra large. Product details. Is discontinued by manufacturer. No package dimensions, 8.27 by 7.48 by 1.89 inches, 3.53 ounces. Item model number, N3275 Black S Department, Women's. Date first available, April 26, 2022 Manufacturer, Amybaby. ASIN, B09YB4L2LX, 75% polyamide, 25% spandex. Elastic closure machine wash take-off bra pad before. Soft and comfortable material. This sweat-wicking cross-strap bra gives you the coverage and support you need for yoga, run, and the gym, without restricting your movement or breath. Our bras are intended to provide medium support for great shape retention, long-lasting comfort. Soft, stretchy, and super breathable, this is an awesome weekend bra. Crossed back design. Criss-cross back detailing gives the V-neck bra its signature style. Many criss-cross back design sports bras in the market can make your back look beautiful but just good looking. Our bra straps distribute the weight better than many bras you have owned before, taking much of the weight off your shoulders. Ideal sports bra focus on details. Super soft elastic band for comfort and movement, which will allow you can enjoy sinking into your practice without sacrificing comfort. Moisture wicking technology metal, which means that you can enjoy keeping your body cool and dry. The padded sports bra, which always retains its shape and prevents bra bulges, caresses your figure to adjust to your curves. Versatile sports bra active wear designed for yoga, pilot, light intensity workout, or daily wearing. Featuring breathable mesh panels, delivers a superior next to skin feel. This stylish sports bra is great for wearing under workout shirts as well as non-workout wear, such as tank tops and light clothing. Excellent after sales service. Kindly note, please check the size information in the description below before ordering instead of the default Amazon size chart. We are proud of the quality of our sports bras. All products were strictly checked before sent out, therefore you can purchase it without hesitation. Please do not hesitate to send us a message with any concerns. We will get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching.